and welcome to my channel. I'm Wendy Haney. Well, this was supposed to be done last week to show you a view of our new house and my new quilt factory. But what I discovered was that, oh wow, I thought the packing was hard and that unpacking, heavy, no big deal. Well, even though you label boxes open first, they get piled under everything else and you can't find them. So we've been digging out to find the kitchen and getting that situated and the living room. So kind of feel like we're at least in the place. So that's why last Friday you had another store video. This week you get to see, and this week is, okay, so hold on. What's this week? It's December 6th. So December 9th is when you're watching this video. And we've been in the house since technically the day after Thanksgiving. The day after Thanksgiving was the first day that we actually slept in the house and the movers came and dropped everything off. So you're going to get to see a video of the space before the movers showed up Friday morning. And then you're going to get to see me do another video the day after the movers left, because that was the first time I actually went down in the basement and saw what was there. So enjoy this video. And this is also going to explain why, here we are December 9th, and I'm not going to have a real video for you yet. Next week's going to be a store video. And, guys, it's just this setup. Once you see it, you're going to realize why it's going to take me a little longer to get set up than I planned. So we've got another vacation coming up that, yes, it was planned before we decided to do this Tennessee move. But then I'll have a good chunk of time off of work. And my goal is to get ready and rocking and rolling for the new year to have videos out for you again. So hang in there with me, please. And here you go. This is what we got going in the quilt factory. It's early here in Tennessee in our new house, but I wanted to get a video done of my quilt factory before the movers show up in a couple hours. So here we go. There's Charlie, and there's the stairs to the basement. Come on, Charlie. Are we gonna give him a tour? Okay. These stairs are gonna be something new. They're kind of steep. Okay, so at the bottom, we come around, find the light switches. We come around here to the right, and this is kind of a little cubby hole, if you will. It's not very big, but this is going to be my office space. So I'm going to put my desk right here so I can have a view out the office. There is a storage room, and eventually it will have a bathroom in it. Then we come over here, and I should have come down and turned on lights. Well, that's okay. Over here, we've got another window, a nice little corner, and I think this is where we're going to set up the video table so that I have a nice background wall behind me. So there we go. There's that space. And then you come over here and, oh, look at that, all the way down there. Yep, all the way down. So more windows. Dig that. I have my own heat air conditioner space to control how warm I want it down here. So we have all of this to put sewing machines and things. Charlie has his own doggy door out to the backyard. And you know what? We came down. Oh, let's see if he's going to use it. Let's see if he's going to use it. Are you going to go out again, Charlie? You've got push on it. You've got push on it. It's a little bit heavier dog door than he's used to. Go out. Go out. Oh, look at there. He went out. He loves his backyard. Around here. So then on the other side, we've got our little room for water heater and softener, and another space here. So this is at the bottom of the stairs to the left. So basically it's circular. And so I'm thinking this space here, I might be putting the long arm. So we shall see how I get it all laid out, but it's a really, really big, nice space. It's got pretty blue walls and nice flooring. And Charlie's got his dog door. And I have windows. That's so cool. In this space, I have all these wonderful windows. So now you've seen the space before the movers show up. It's going to be a disaster after the movers show up. But we'll go from there. The movers left yesterday afternoon. And I walked down into the basement for only the second time after they've gotten everything down there. And I think I almost cried. Let me give you a tour, because this seems a bit overwhelming. Here's my office. Not too bad. It won't take me too long to get a few things switched around. Yeah. But here's the space where my videoing is supposed to happen. Oh my. We tried to have them put stuff on the walls, allowing me to then find things and set things up, but even putting it on the wall, it's like, oh my, this is overwhelming. Yeah, here we go, all the way down. I can't see out the windows. Yeah, there's a thermostat in the basement with a remote control. Well, I can't find the remote control because it's on the windowsill that I can't get to. Here we go. Lots of storage stuff. Yep, more piled there. Yeah, overwhelming at best. So I'm going to have my work cut out for me. With that said, I had really thought that with all this space, I could have things boxed up on one end and at least be able to set up the video and cutting table to be able to get started on that fairly soon. I don't think that's going to happen. Yep, right now it's more important to get the kitchen at least somewhat put away so my husband quits asking, where's a glass? Where's a fork? Where's a plate? I'm like, I don't know. In a box. So the kitchen comes first. We did actually get the bedroom set up the first night. So we had a bed to sleep on. So that felt good. And yeah, so kind of priorities. The other priority after the kitchen tomorrow, today's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday, is getting both of our offices ready because, yep, we don't have any more time off work till the end of the year, pretty much. And so we both need offices set up and working so we can go back to our jobs on Monday. So there you have it. There's the tour. I will do the best I can getting some updates out there and things every Friday, but hang in there with me, people. Yeah, it's just, I didn't cry, but it was close. Instead, I poured a glass of wine. Wine makes everything better, right? Thank you so much for watching. I very much appreciate it. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single video I published, hit the subscribe button below and then hit the bell icon. And that way you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. But you can also find me over on Facebook. Facebook.com/Wendy, the initial J, Haney. Or I have a Facebook group for those of you that love quilting, needlework, books, wine, and wellness. You can find that at facebook.com/groups/lifefulfilled. The name of the group is Life Fulfilled - Quilting, Needlework, Books, Wine, and Wellness. You can also find me over on my website, wendyjhaney.com. I will be doing more blogging over there eventually. As I get more of my videos done, I'll be blogging about those. But also, maybe you see some things that I'm making here and you're going, ooh, wow, I just don't want to make that myself. Well, a lot of those products will end up over there on the website that you can purchase for your friends and family. Once again, thank you so much for your support, and I appreciate you watching.